yakni benta jongga kubor la wanra spi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Director ke DHSMI Dr. Amanwar habakran bagi lat pathai khubor henne kesengi ke khandru tarik unaitung ula pentip banaki laispa afnru teli ke aktif case jongga Jylla ki dan laingut ki Khyllung ki belayo alang ya uni khunyang jingpang coronavirus. Nagini ki laingut ki Khyllung iwei ide ibarang khandai banai se iwei pat ide iba sisnem steng but iwei pat ide ibalan rusnem kakarta.
But that baby was I think from the corona care center. They had just taken to Ganesh Das for baseline investigations for the baby. We have to do some baseline investigation. That's why they were taken to Ganesh Das. Now they have gone back to Corona Care Center. One is 9 months, 1.5 years. There is another one, and a 6-year-old child.